Okay. Today's discussion is on environment. Environment. So we'll be dealing with the meaning of environment. So the meaning of environment encompasses all the natural and artificial elements that surround us, including water, buildings, roads, and all living and non-living organisms that surround us. That's the term or what is meant by environment. Sorry. So after knowing the definition or the meaning of environment, our next discussion will be on environmental degradation. So, what is termed as environmental degradation, or what is the meaning of environmental degradation? Environmental degradation refers to the decline in the quality of the environment through deterioration of natural resources, habitat, and ecosystems. That is what is termed by environmental degradation. Any activity that will lead to the destruction of the quality of the environment is termed as environmental degradation. Now, causes of environmental degradation would be our next target as far as this lesson is concerned. So, what are some of the causes of environmental degradation? When we talk of environmental degradation, factors that will lead to the decline in the quality of the environment. That is what the term causes of environmental degradation. So when we talk of the causes of environmental degradation, these are some of the causes of environmental degradation. We have over exploitation of natural resources. We have deforestation and habitat destruction. We also have pollution, we have bush burning, and we have overgrazing. So that's so when we talk of overexploitation, of natural resources, this is what it means. Overexploitation of natural resources. This is what it means. You see, the exploitation of the natural the minerals, that is gold, bauxite, diamond, etc. When we overexploit them, it will lead to the decrease in the quality of the environment. So, you see, the use of excavators in mining or illegal mining destroy the quality of the land, the quality of the environment. Sorry. So another one is deforestation and habitat destruction. Deforestation and habitat destruction. Deforestation is here simply large-scale cutting down of forests for agricultural, urban, and industrial purposes disrupts the natural carbon cycle, destroy habitat, and contribute soil erosion and desertification. All these activities lead to the decline in the quality of the environment. Another one is pollution. Pollution here simply means industrial waste, agricultural runoff, and plastic waste are major contributors to water, air, and soil pollution, affecting both human health and ecosystems. So all these activities will lead to the decline in the quality of the environment. The next one is bush burning. Bush burning, the indiscriminate burning of bushes, which which lead to the destruction of microorganisms in the soil, the wildlife also decline the quality of the environment. Then the next one is overgrazing. Overgrazing here is allowing our livestock, that's the animals, to overgraze, to continuously graze at a particular portion of the land. It also affects the environment. It will lead to the destruction of the quality of the environment. Next in our discussion is, now that we know the meaning of environment and we know the causes of environment and we know the meaning of environmental degradation, the causes of environmental degradation. Now, some of the ways of addressing environmental degradation. Afforestation is one of them. We have to plant trees. Planting of trees will help to increase or maintain the quality of the environment. Avoid bush burning. Avoiding of bush burning is one of the ways of addressing the issue of environmental degradation. When we stop burning of bushes indiscriminately, it will help increase or maintain the quality of the environment. Another one is making implementations of laws to protect the environment. What making of laws and from making information of laws to protect the environment here simply means that we have to make laws and formulate them, make sure that they are working in regarding to the protection of the environment. For instance, when somebody is caught cutting down of trees indiscriminately, the person might be charged or should be charged 10,000 Ghana cedis. When somebody allows his or her livestock and that's the animals to overgraze, the person should be charged 5,000 Ghana cedis. In doing so, it will help to minimize or to put a stop to the destruction of the environment. Another one is education. Education just simply means educating the people on the dangers of environmental degradation and also educating them on the importance of not destroying the environment. Another one is proper farming practices. Proper farming practices here mean that we should use or go by the positive way in farming. That is, we should avoid or minimize the excessive use of chemical fertilizers, weedicides. We should not farm near water bodies. We should practice the habit of crop rotation, mixed cropping, and land rotation. All these are good farming or proper farming practices which will help to protect the environment. So then another thing in our discussion is types of environmental degradation. Now that we know the importance, now that we know the definition of environment, the definition of environmental degradations, causes and ways of addressing it. Now, what are the types of environmental degradation? What are the types of environmental degradation? The following are some of the types of environmental degradation. One is land degradation. Land degradation Land degradation refers to the activities of living organisms that lead to the destruction or deterioration of the quality of the land. Any activity that will lead to the destruction or deterioration of the quality of the land is known as land degradation. For instance, illegal mining is very harmful to the land, it's very unfriendly to the land. Another type of environmental degradation is air pollution, the release of harmful substances from vehicles, factories, and industries. For instance, smoke from exhaust pipes. It pollutes the air. Another one is water pollution. Water pollution refers to the activities of human that make the water unfriendly, that contaminate the water bodies, which affect the aquatic habitat. For instance, dumping of refuse into water bodies, swimming and defecating into water bodies. All this contaminate. Use